Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic case for Pixel 7. So it's a Google Pixel 7 case and comes with this different options as I can show. So this is the option if you want to use this case with or without the screen protector. So I will just show this. Let me just open up. So this is a protective layer and the every minute things are taken care of. Like if you want to use it without the screen protector, you can use this particular insert that also come with this case. So in this case, like if you do not want the screen protector, you can just take this thing out and put this without the screen protector. Or if your phone already have a screen protector, you don't want to change it, you can just use it like this. So now there is no screen protector. The other way is like if you want to use inbuilt screen protector. So this is the second option that you can use it here. So they provide with the two inserts. So once I take this out, as you can see, so I'm just taking out all the protective layer and the covering. So this is also a fingerprint sensor that I can show, maybe a little circle that you can use with the Google Pixel 7. So just put in the screen and then put it on the top. This also come with this screen protector accessory. So basically it have a cleaner like a alcohol swab, a microfiber cloth, some dust stickers, so you can just take out the dust or anything. So it's a standard accessory kit with this case. So you can just take out this alcohol swab. You can clean up your phone screen and the protector screen and everything, and then wipe it off with this microfiber. So this cleaning is really nice and that you can just cleanly see it. So I make a little bit faster, so I will just save the time on the video. So you can just also clean up the screen protector screen with the microfiber and stuff. So this is all cleaned up, and then I will just put this case, and then on the back this is a silicone on the plastic case in the back. So this will just closely secure this mobile phone inside it. Now this is all protected, and you can see from the back it's a clear back, so the color is visible. And then you can just clean up the stuff. The camera and everything is protected with the bezels, and no hindrance of any type of port or the button with the case, and looks really nice and handy. So you can see this is also the MagSafe charging, so the case can be used for the MagSafe charging as well. So basically a very nice and handy case with a fingerprint. You can see that sense the fingerprint.